Hello, my name is Jacob. I'm a Canadian and I'm a math teacher with Yeda. One thing I love about teaching individuals and students is the ability to make lessons really personalized to what a student needs. I think being able to tailor lessons to where a student's at just inevitably leads to students who are more confident, happier, and in the end, just more successful. A bit about me outside of teaching. I play the drums, I love basketball, and I enjoy traveling. So if you ever end up in a lesson with me and you feel like you need a break, you can pretty easily distract me by bringing up one of those things, talk about sports, music, somewhere you've traveled to. Or really, if you tell me about any of your hobbies, I'll probably be interested in that. And then we'll eventually get back to finishing whatever math we're supposed to be working on. That's a bit about me. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you choose to join Team Yeda, and I hope to see you in a lesson soon. Thanks so much. Take care.